I am beloved. Nah, I'm playing with you. Hey everyone, I am beloved, back to you with a new video, and today we'll be reviewing the YZY GAP hoodie, aka the perfect hoodie, in the light brown colorway. Now before we get started, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and you'll get the latest updates. As most YZY products, it's just plain, no label, no brand. It has this like little pull tab, got the light brown colorway, but this looks pretty brown. Like it. I got it in a large. Now the material is very thick. It's quite cropped. Throw it on and you guys be the judge. But yeah, the only type of branding on here is just the YZY in the YZY GAP. I got mine in a large. It's like double stitched. Very thick. Looks like it'll be real warm. The fitting is like oversized arms. I feel like it's oversized genuinely, but it's cropped. So it'll stop right at your waist. Wearing a white tee underneath. You can see all of the white tee. I like it, you know. Definitely something I'll be adding to the wardrobe. Go layer it with throw on a light jacket. Anyway, if you like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.